So this is the answer for long hours of gameplay para kapag ang tagal mo naglalaro hindi pa rin mag-overheat yung cellphone mo. So this is from Blue Wow. Let me show you how to use it. So this is the clip. Yan, nakiklip mo lang siya. So basically dito may lumalamig yung mismong radiator ng phone natin. And ito yung fan para higupin yung init from your device. It's either phone or console. Tapos ilalabas siya dito. But you cannot use this one ng ng alone lang or naka-charge. It has no battery. So walang battery to. And meron tong output na Type-C yan. So kapag tinanggal mo siya, alisin mo lang dito, pwede mong ilipat yan. So ganyan. Right? So yung una kasi akala ko may battery operated to or battery operated siya. Pero hindi pala. Kahit in-on ko yan dyan, dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kahit in-on ko to sa side, meron kasing power on dito eh. And this is the input Type-C. And then this is yung turn on and off. And then this is yung sa light naman niya. Kung gusto mong mag-iba ng light. So you have to use your Type-C charger. By chance, this is from Essager, the 240 watts. So saksak mo lang yan. Yan, ganyan kaganda. And sobrang lamig niya, right? So when you put this one, kunin mo lang yung mobile phone mo or yung console mo, tapos lagay mo lang siya dyan. And kapit na. So ganyan siya gamitin. And ang lamig. So may levels din yan. So it has -1 ata yung temperature. Ang lamig talaga, to be honest. Yan, ang lamig oh. So kapag nilagay mo yan dyan, malalamig na yung phone mo. So I think this is the temperature, and then pwede mong may mga levels yan, up to 3 levels. So you just have to find the toggle switch yan, this one. Kung gusto mo ng anong level. So this is the lights. Pwedeng lights on RGB, pwedeng yan, pwedeng green lang. So ganon. And then ito naman yung level ng, kasi meron option kapag ayaw mo ng maingay, you can use this one. Yan, level 2. Pero malamig pa rin siya. Level 1. So 3, 2, 1. And did you know that this is one of the freebie nung mga lumalabas sa phones ngayon, na gaming phone? Nakita ko na meron silang freebie with this one. So if you're using an older version of Android or your Manzana's phone, this is a must-have. Kung makikita nyo, nagmamoist pa yan, no?